Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Nationwide Finance, found at nationwidefinance.co.uk, presents itself as a potential avenue for securing loans. However, a closer examination reveals several red flags that warrant caution. Their website lacks transparency, providing minimal concrete information about the actual services they offer. While they allude to connecting borrowers with lenders, the specifics of these partnerships and the criteria used for matching remain unclear. This opacity raises concerns about the nature of the lenders they work with and the potential for borrowers to be connected with less reputable or even predatory lending sources. Furthermore, the site's design and content feel somewhat generic, lacking the detailed information and robust functionality one would expect from a legitimate financial services provider. There's a noticeable absence of clear terms and conditions, fee schedules, or details regarding the loan application process. This lack of readily available information makes it difficult to assess the true cost of borrowing and raises suspicions about their commitment to transparency. Potential borrowers are essentially left in the dark about crucial details until they engage further, which is a risky proposition. Another point of concern is the limited contact information provided. While a phone number is displayed, there's often no physical address or readily accessible email address, making it challenging to verify the company's legitimacy and raising questions about their accountability. The absence of clear communication channels can make it difficult to resolve issues or seek assistance should problems arise during the loan process. This lack of accessibility undermines trust and should be a significant deterrent for potential borrowers. Navigating the site can also feel frustrating due to a lack of clear navigation and a somewhat cluttered layout. Important information is often buried within dense paragraphs of text or hidden behind ambiguous links. This lack of user-friendliness adds to the impression that the site may not be professionally managed or prioritize the user experience. It's essential for financial service providers to present information clearly and concisely, which Nationwide Finance, based on their website, fails to do effectively. Finally, be wary of any testimonials or endorsements presented on the site. Without verifiable sources or independent reviews, it's difficult to determine their authenticity. In today's digital landscape, it's easy to fabricate testimonials, so it's crucial to rely on independent, verifiable sources for information when considering a financial service provider. In conclusion, while Nationwide Finance presents itself as a loan provider, the lack of transparency, limited information, and questionable website design raise serious concerns. Proceed with extreme caution and conduct thorough research before engaging with this company. Consider exploring more reputable and transparent alternatives for your borrowing needs.